Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing three major platforms for online businesses, that is Whop, Skool, and Stripe. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about Whop. Whop is an all-in-one platform designed to help business management and sell digital products and subscriptions and services. It offers a seamless way to manage your products and process payments and handle customer relations. Now, if we talk about the school for a little bit of time, so School is a community-focused platform that combines courses and creation with social interaction. It is designed to help creators build online communities with educational content. Now, in the end, I'll talk about Stripe, which is the industry leader when it comes to online payment processing. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, providing a secure and customizable way to accept payment globally. Now, if we talk about the ease of use, Whop is super easy to set up. You can quickly get started selling digital products, setting up subscriptions, and processing payments. It is perfect for those who don't want to deal with too many technical details. If we talk about the Skool, it is also relatively easy to use with a simple, intuitive interface for setting up courses and communities. The learning curve is minimal and it's easy to add content and engage users. Stripe can be a bit more complex to integrate, especially if you don't have technical experience. However, it's incredibly flexible and offers detailed documentation for developers who need customizable their payment options. Now, if we talk about features and compare them on that, so Wop shines in all-in-one solutions for selling products, handling customer subscriptions, and providing easy integrations with other platforms. If we talk about the Skool, it stands out with its community building tools and course creation features. It's perfect for creators and educators who want to build an interactive space for the audience while offering structured content. In the end, I'll talk about Stripe, which, if you need a system that can handle subscriptions, one-time payments, and global transactions, Stripe is the go-to platform. However, it lacks the course and creation and community management features of Whop and Skool. So, in the end, let's talk about pricing. So, Whop offers a free trial for smaller users and then it charges a few fees, which is great for business just starting out and creators who want just an easy entry in the world of online sales. If we talk about the school also offers a free tier for creators' basic needs. The paid version is priced at around $99 per month, which includes all the features to build and manage a community-driven course platform. Stripe has no monthly fees but charges transaction fees based on your sales. It takes a cut for every payment process, and the fees vary depending on your region and the type of transaction. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in understanding both Skool and Stripe. Thank you so much for watching.